Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Pluzluce 34oz stainless steel French press coffee maker. Now, if you're like me and can't start your day without a good cup of coffee, this might just be the perfect addition to your morning routine. Let's talk capacity first. With a generous 34-ounce capacity, this French press can brew up to 8 cups of coffee in one go. That means no more waiting around for multiple brews when you have guests over or during those busy mornings when you need a caffeine kick ASAP. But versatility is where this coffee maker really shines. Not only can it brew your traditional coffees like cappuccinos, lattes, and mochas, but it can also whip up dense milk froth, cold brew, and even berry juices. Plus, the high-quality stainless steel construction ensures that your coffee stays hot for at least an hour, keeping it fresh and delicious. One of the standout features for me is the high-end precision filter. It's designed with a triple-layered stainless steel mesh that locks in the natural oils and flavors of your coffee while filtering out any sedimented grounds. And the best part? It's super easy to clean, with both the interior and exterior being dishwasher safe. Speaking of construction, this French press is built to last. Made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, it's resistant to corrosion, rust, and high temperatures. So whether you're using it at home, in the office, or even while camping, you can trust that it'll hold up to whatever you throw at it. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Pluzluce 34oz stainless steel French press coffee maker. It's versatile, durable, and brews a damn good cup of coffee. So if you're in the market for a new coffee maker that can handle all your caffeinated needs, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.